Appetizers, appetizers, appetizers.
Appetizers.
It's quite appetizing. Today, my friends, we're gonna bust out some appetizers. But before we get into that, welcome to the set. I am CJ.
Yeah.
Right over there's Nate. Right over there's Ethan. And
Ron.
today I've got a fun one for you guys. We're gonna do a 3-part series leading up to the big game.
I like it.
Because we can't say anything else.
Shh, don't say it.
Starts with an S.
Samsonite.
I was way off. I knew it started with an S, though.
Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a delicious, very simple, crazy quick buffalo chicken fritter. The only problem I have with this appetizer.
Looks so familiar.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't like the term fritter.
Chicago weather in Florida.
Exactly.
It's cold.
It's cold. We'll
It's
see.
like 50.
Let's warm it up.
Ball.
Ball. Ball.
Ball.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
A quick one, my friends.
You're a quick one.
So let's have a look real fast.
Have a look-see.
Have a look-see. I've got some, let's get this guy, big old chunk of ground chicken. Here,
I only use the ground pollo. What? You have an assistant?
yes I do. I don't know his name.
It starts with an A.
Ah, assistant.
What is it?
An assistant regional manager.
Yes, it is.
What am I gonna do with a...
Assistant to the regional manager.
Same thing.
Now I've got some flour. Now I might have to add some as we go, or yeah, I'm gonna add some as we go. I don't want to do
where you
too.
learned this excellent recipe.
Look, all right. So here's the deal. Nate made some whack fritters the other day.
Whack.
They were really good,
They were good.
and I thought I could make them better
You
by
can.
doing a buffalo chicken fritter,
Yeah.
dude. So I've got some celery, some carrots. Now the eggs. I'm gonna start.
Huevos for your pollo.
I don't understand the words you just said.
Are you?
We're gonna start with one egg, and see how one egg does us.
Uno huevo.
I'm probably gonna need 2.
Dos huevo.
Exactly. Yeah.
Dude, your one-handed technique's pretty awesome. Just making sure you didn't break it.
Yeah, I did not. Did not break it.
It was deliberate. It was deliberate.
Oh, we've got some garlic powder. Let me tell you, don't use like whole garlic. Definitely go powder.
Oh, bite. I hear people say that in the comments. Some of you always use fresh garlic. There is a place.
There's a place and a time for
Yeah.
everything.
Powdered garlic doesn't have that same peppery, that bite, that stings the nostrils.
And it's gonna blend in really well
Yeah.
with all of our chicken
More
and all of
evenly.
our ingredients. Well, I thought this wasn't open, but thank
I'm a fan of that sweet baby
goodness.
Ray's.
Yeah, we got some great.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, dude.
Holy cow.
No, holy cow meat.
Holy whoa.
The ground, it's all metal. It's full of holes, you know? Holy.
It's a buffalo chicken fritter. We've got to have the buffalo
Yeah.
and the chicken.
And the
And
fritter.
I don't like the term fritter.
You don't like the word fritter?
No, I don't like the word fritter. I have a problem with it.
Does
That's
it
why
vex you? It can be quite vexing.
quite vexing.
I'm known to be quite vexing. I'm just forewarning you.
I don't know why I don't like. I'll tell you why I don't like it.
You know, you figured it out.
I just realized. Growing up, I hated it. My dad, we would always go to the gas station, and they had Dunkin' Donuts there, and he would
Okay.
always order gross apple fritters, and like
that?
I
Apple fritters are awesome.
I have
My
a sp-
7-year-old,
I
that's
have
his
a spoon,
favorite
and I
donut.
don't know why I have a spoon, cousin.
The boy must die.
So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get this guy out of here.
You're gloved up.
I'm all gloved up.
You're suited up.
Oh, hey, dude, would you do me a solid? No, hey, yeah.
You,
Do you need a bigger bowl?
No. Just if my
Sure.
I
sleeves.
mean, a bigger bowl might help. Jeez, Alex over here.
Alex.
Yeah.
Who's Alex?
That'd be me.
Oh, that'd be me. Thanks.
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Oh, look at that.
This I don't approve.
Why? Why don't you approve?
You have an assistant.
And I'm really glad I have an assistant. Okay, so see, I'm seeing that I need a little bit more flour. So,
Assistant.
Would you
I feel like the
assist?
bigger bowl was a
A good move. Good move.
Pro move. Have someone
keep
helping.
it going. Keep it going. Start it. Yep. Keep it going. Yep.
Bring it.
Yep.
Bring it.
Yep.
Great, yes, no.
Okay.
Let's see how we do here. What we're going for is kind of like a batter consistency. I heard
Yeah,
you.
the egg and flour are gonna hold it all together.
Yeah, I heard you say one time, kind of like pancake-ish.
Yeah.
Batter.
Thick pancake.
A thick.
Pancake.
Little bit more flour. Rest of the flour.
Bring it.
Just drop it all in. Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot.
There we go. Like it's hot. Like they would in Greenbow,
Alabama!
Speaking of Alabama. Did you know where Alabama's from?
Oh, that's Alabama.
Chicago.
How'd you know?
Really?
Was it?
No, it's from Alabama.
Oh.
I got you.
All right. I'm gonna need a ringage and bringage. Oh, dude, I've got to abandon this campaign. I should
Hey,
not.
Everyone hurry up, he can't even grab his drink. Don't. That's too far, Anthony. That's my job.
That's weird.
You go, sweetheart.
Okay, that is the weirdest sequence ever. Oh, okay.
Should we cut there?
Yeah, we're cutting there.
They're laughing at us?
No, Patrick. They're laughing next to us.
One last thing from my assistant. We're almost complete. We need the cheese.
It's like the magician's assistant.
Dude, like,
that the-
load me up.
What
I
is
don't
that
know.
movie? Isn't that Nick Cage?
Whoa!
Oh, no! You're fired,
You
Alex.
are so fired.
You done messed up, Aaron!
But that's
Jeez.
all right.
What the? You can't
Cheese.
waste food.
I don't know, man. That was a lot of cheese. I'm glad I made that move. Okay, here we are. We're done. I'm gonna deglove now. You know what? I need just one more second of rotation here. And then we're gonna spoon this guy out. So, Andy,
More assistant help.
I'm gonna deglove. You wanna ring us and bring us again? Woo!
Jeez.
All right.
Andy's getting the reps in.
Oh, yeah, he is.
Wait, who's Andy? At the same time.
I'm for real. I'm for real. So you better check yourself.
Right behind me, my Blackstone is set at medium low. Definitely want to
Medium.
go
Don't worry about that.
on what?
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 You know, sound like I'm promoting violence. I think that, you know, it's more or less because...
Definitely want to go lower and
Are you
slower.
gonna have any oil or anything?
Yes.
Assistant! Austin!
I almost fell.
What a laugh. Did you hear it?
I don't have a
It's
clue.
like a cartoon maniacal.
He really was like on death's door, apparently.
It's like the a deeper version of Yzma.
Yzma, put your hands in the air.
Yep.
I'll crunk. By the way, major underrated movie.
Is it?
Wait, do you not
It's a
like it?
No, it's a fantastic movie.
Oh.
I think everyone knows it's a fantastic
okay.
movie.
All right, so
I don't want to give you any tips because I always like to not give you tips, but you should flatten that
I'm
out.
going to flatten them out. I just want to get all the dollops out.
The dollops?
That's what I'm calling it.
The dollops.
It's a fritter dollop.
Actually, I like your move with like the long pieces of carrot. That's going to be fun.
That's gonna add a fun texture, delicious flavors.
Good idea, Anton.
And don't worry about making them like perfect. Actually, the imperfection is kind of a fun
Why aren't you
part
flattening
of.
them out?
I'm getting there
I just wonder why you're not doing it yet. It's really bugging me.
because I wanted it to warm up just a second.
Oh,
Because it's freaking cold out here.
it is, dude.
It is cold.
It was like 47 last night.
Yeah, and it was like 48 when we got here. So
Which, by the way, don't leave all the hate in the comments. 50
Sorry.
degrees in Florida.
it is just a
It's
different
cold.
animal altogether. We're just not used to it. We're just not
It's a
built for
different
it.
animal altogether.
That was a good cross pollination.
Thanks.
I had to beat them to death with their own shoes.
And
Dude, they smell great already.
yeah, they do. I love buffalo.
Do you season or is all your seasoning?
All the
just
seasonings in here, man.
Yeah.
Like that's the beauty of this. So these are gonna. Obviously, you saw that it's raw chicken. So this needs time to cook. I'm gonna say 4 to 5 minutes on each side.
Yeah.
Multiple flips to see how it looks.
It's a fritter, so crispiness is not a bad thing.
I want it to be crispy.
Yeah, for sure. And
I
cook.
like that crunch, the textures. It's gonna be all amazing. Of course, like I said, flip every now and then and then we're gonna let them drain and plate them up. That simple.
Fritters. Did you change your mind on fritters yet?
Not really. I don't like the name. What's another name we could give it?
Who are you asking?
Nobody.
Oh, let me get back over here in my spot.
Woof, woof. Can you guess what this is?
You've got to have a dipper for these guys, so why not stick with what you're already working with? I've got some buffalo sauce, a little bit of ranch, stirred around. It's beautiful.
Oh, that's pretty.
It
That's
is
a nice
pretty.
trick.
And then, dude, then I think just kind of start. Well, I'm gonna have a sauce on the plate. I think is the idea here.
Your fritters look pretty fantastic.
Thank you. In ranking of your fritter versus my fritter.
I mean, mine weren't quite as burnt. I'm sorry, over caramelized.
I
mean, crispy. What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
That was messed up, dude.
Just kidding. They look good.
I know they look good. I'm gonna set that guy down there because it's a little extra crispy. We're gonna do that guy. There we go. And oh, whoa! Thank you.
It's bugging me.
Really?
Oh, you're going more purdy?
A little bit more.
Oh,
I mean,
Miss Lady.
whoa.
Ooh.
Okay.
What do you mean, whoa?
Nothing.
It's Lady the Tramp. Come on.
I know. And then just give it a little pop of color.
Dang.
And
Little Papa Smurf.
Little Papa Smurf. And that
This
is
looks
that,
awesome.
my friends.
Looks so good.
Dude, these are not burnt.
I didn't say burnt. Well,
I know,
didn't say
you
burnt.
said so many other dumb things. These are definitely not burnt. But bro,
they're pretty good looking.
You want the crispy exterior. That
Is it?
Oh yeah,
I can
dude.
hear the crunch.
And the cheese. I could have a lot of things to say, but I'm just gonna let the food speak for itself.
Should have come off a little bit earlier. Was that?
Not what they said.
No.
What they're saying is, my fritters are way better.
I don't know, dude.
Yep. My assistant, come on in. You assist.
Good crunch.
Do you need a napkin?
It's a great fritter.
Do you need a napkin?
Oh yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, dude. These are money.
Yep.
Honestly,
You
for
had
1 pound of
Nate's.
chicken? Oh, you want an actual side by side?
You had Nate's and now you had mine.
I gotta pick these.
Yeah, we pick these every
I'm
time.
sorry.
Yeah.
And you?
Hmm?
None for Gretchen Wiener.
Wiener's 5.
Sorry, that was a ridiculous movie quote.
Who's that from?
Let me know how I did, you guys. These are not burnt. You definitely want to make sure the chicken is taking its time to cook. You don't want to bite into raw chicken.
No chicken tartare.
Dude, perfect amount of flavor and seasoning. The cheese.
It's crispy.
That was an adequate amount of cheese. Gets crispy on the exterior. I did it. We did it.
Yeah.
Leave it in the comments. But speaking of comments, my friends, it is that time for CJ's favorite comments.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
If you've never made it to this segment of the show, this is where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers, because if you guys write it,
we read it.
That is exactly right. And then we get to have a little fun with it. And today is, I'm going to start with a spicy one. This
a spicy one.
It's a spicy meatball.
That's spicy meatballs on the house.
This was on my that creamy
the pasta one?
pasta,
Yeah, it was a good
and
one.
I used sun-dried tomatoes in it.
Yeah, you love sun-dried tomatoes.
And this guy had a real problem with it.
Uh-oh.
It's Greg Chappelle,
Hey,
6462.
Greg. Dave's brother.
Yep. Says, LOL, double up on sun-dried tomatoes. That's this guy's answer to everything. Let me guess. He thinks truffle oil is the end-all, be-all of flavor as well. This guy's a joke.
Well.
So then I comment. So let's get something straight. Truffle oil is terrible. And what do you have against sun-dried tomatoes? Well, here's the best part. He comments back not knowing that it's me.
No, shut up.
Yes. He goes, I feel the same way. He only cares about making stupid pop culture jokes with way too many edits and dining with his buddies and all. And it's distract him and blah, blah, blah. And then this other guy comes to my rescue and he doesn't know that it's me. He's like, come on, man. Give the guy a break.
What the?
What's
your
the
handle?
whole list?
What's your handle on YouTube?
Mine?
Yeah.
Literally, CJ Frazier. You can't miss it.
Pays attention to detail. So
Yeah.
I love about you.
Your attention to detail.
I'm sure you already knew that.
To my friend Nate the
Chappelle's
Great
cousin.
that came to my rescue. Not you.
Well, how do you know it wasn't me?
Because it says great. Okay, this next one comes in from Denise.
You say your name right now.
Denise?
Say it right.
Denise.
Correctly.
Denise.
Right.
Denise.
Right.
Denise.
That's better.
Sorensen, 9568,
Denise.
says, you guys are hysterical. Love the show. Just got my Blackstone. Still haven't taken it
Nice.
out of the box
Oh.
because I've just moved back from Japan.
Oh, whoa.
This is the premier spot to learn how to use it. Thanks, gentlemen. No.
Heck yeah.
Thank you.
Domo arigato.
Zang.
That's not. That was Cantonese.
Well, that's right. All right, this is from Big Daddy C.
Big Daddy.
Big Daddy C says, when you're at a mandatory employee meeting with about 80 employees and the supervisor yells out, "Come on, everyone!" and you're the only one that responds, it's CJ's first cooking show.
Wow.
And everyone just looks at you like you're stupid, except for the close work friends who know you can throw down on a Blackstone.
Who's that again?
Big Daddy C.
Big Daddy C.
Dude, that's awesome.
Big Daddy Cheers.
Okie dokie. Okay, this next one comes in from BR CERN. BR guest.
Put our service to the test.
Says, I appreciate how this video keeps the myth that CJ and Nathan aren't the same person alive. I don't know.
What?
And I said, is that a myth? I don't understand.
We're not the same person dead either.
Yeah.
Same person. People still think we're the same person?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I'm obviously way cooler than you and make way better fritters.
Well,
There we
that's
go.
not it.
Consensus said yes. Hank, H-E-N-K.
There he is.
Says, quit picking on Nate.
Yep.
You all know the griddle surface gets hotter than we want, even if we do put on the lowest settings. He's referencing to your burnt food.
When did I burn anything?
You burned all the tops
Ever.
of your buns.
When?
At headquarters.
Nah. Lies. All lies.
Okay, this came in from Alex Boyko.
Alex Baldwin.
Yep. Says, I gotta say, guys, keep it up, and well, I have a soft spot for Ethan.
And have some hard spots, too.
It's a great name, just like my boys. I hope one day he can ring a bell just like Ethan. I hope you guys do a complete Back to the Future show from every movie. Great Scott. Also, hey CJ, did you know?
Whoa.
Canada loves you guys, eh?
Oh,
all right.
Hey. Appreciate that.
Alex, you are not a hoser, despite what they say, eh? Get off my car.
Let's put another shrimp on the barbie.
That, my friends, is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's First Cooking
Consider
Show.
it wrapped.
Little caveat on our way out the door, got this box in the mail just before Christmas. And while we were at headquarters, fun little story.
Oh, is it fun?
My man Scott here ran into me.
Hilarious story.
Ran into me.
That everyone should hear.
At the headquarters front office, and he's like, oh my gosh, dude, it's you. Let's take a picture.
Dude, it's you.
And who else was there?
Me.
Ethan
Yeah.
was there.
Are you sure? Because
That A guy over there was there.
yeah, there's
And
a
then
photo taken.
Nate
of-
was there.
No, he's taking a selfie.
And
it was just the three of you.
he didn't even look at Nate.
Nah.
He gave Nate no time whatsoever. So we had a
Aaron-
fun little moment. And then we left the office. And we were at Costco. And I ran into him again.
Dude, I'm in this picture.
At your little nub right there.
Take my hand! Ah, come on!
Because he
finger.
handed the
The
camera phone
to
to me.
to you to take a photo.
picture.
So we got another photo at Costco. My man, Scott, your family, thank you for this. All the goods. He sent me all kinds of stuff that like represent home and all the things that he loves the most. But Clark family, here's to you. We're gonna ring it and bring it, and I'm gonna put you on the board.
Yeah.
But I did ring it, so I have to drink real quick.
Yeah.
That's the rule.
That's that, my friends. Until next time, this is CJ's First Cooking Show, where we cook.
And we quote.
And we
Take
quote.
pictures of CJ with his fans.
Fan. Singular.
I did take a selfie with his phone. He didn't include
You
that
didn't
one.
send that one. That was funny. It was a good one.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first